Hi boys and girls, I'm going to try to help you understand a little bit better telling time to the half hour. So when it's something like 1:30 or 9:30. And so I've got a picture of a clock, and you can see at the top up here, there's this number 60. That's because the clock starts at the top with the number 12. And at the number 12, the 60 is also kind of like the number 1. And so it starts going from the number 12 to the number 1. So let's see if I can draw an arrow going that way. So we go that way first, and it goes to the number 1, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then we end up back at 60. So every time you see the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, those are the minutes. And so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that's the hour. So the shorthand on a clock always points to the hour. So if I make the shorthand point to the 1, and then I make the longhand point to the 12, that means it's 1 o'clock. It means that we just started at 1 o'clock. Now let's see if I can erase that longhand. But what if I take the longhand and I make it point down, it changed to yellow. If I make it point down to the 30, I think I can draw on top of that and make it blue again. Now it says 1:30, but the interesting thing is that this red shorthand right here, as the big hand starts moving around the clock, the shorthand also moves, and so it doesn't stay on the 1. Since the 30 is half of the clock, then that shorthand is going to be halfway between the 1 and the 2. So you can see that it's not on the 1 and it's not on the 2. It's in between. So it says 1:30. It's on its way to being 2 o'clock. If I erase that and I put the shorthand pointing to the 8, then it's 8:30. But I also have to remember that shorthand most likely is going to be right in between the 8 and the 9. So it means it's past 8 o'clock. We already had 8 o'clock, and that longhand has moved from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's halfway between 8 and 9 o'clock. We're almost to 9 o'clock. So if I erase this hour hand right here, and I make it point to the 11, and sorry, that got a little crooked. If it's between the 11 and 12, it means that it was 11 o'clock and now we're on our way to becoming 12 o'clock. So it's 11:30, and so there's that 30 right there. I know this is a little tricky, but you've got those worksheets to practice with, and we might talk a little bit about this during a Zoom call, but I'm going to send you this video, and I'm going to send you a picture of the same clock that I'm using right here so that maybe you can practice at home with making different times. And if you use Seesaw, you can actually practice making videos and you don't have to send them. You can practice writing and you don't have to send it. You can just go back and erase it and then start again. So hopefully that might help you just a little bit. I also linked that time to the half hour video yesterday. So go ahead and check that out.